Hi everyone, here's Abdul. Hope everyone is doing fine today. So today we have another unboxing and first impressions video, and this time we have an Orient. I actually have an Orient here next to me as well, and I'm wearing this Festina that I had a video on it the past week, and I forgot to show you guys that the Loom, because the Loom here is not so bad, to be honest. You have Loom on all the pips, but the issue that I had is that when you change the date and the day, I just forgot to tell you about this in the last video, so it's very, the movement is very, how can you say it? It's just quanky, or it's just doesn't feel so good. So I thought, okay, I'll just wear it out. I had another watch coming on the way, so, and I have 1 week, so I wasn't in no rush. And this watch came, and I thought, okay, this one is like 145 euros, and this is 145 euros, so it won't be bad to unbox this one while I'm wearing this one. By the way, this is the new paracord cover for my Opinel, and like it's a new technique that I tried. And yeah, maybe we can open this up and start by maybe I'll open it easier with this, with a sturdy Swiss knife. So first thing first, got the tape. So we have here the Orient FEU00000WW. Sorry guys, I had to read it out because it has 5 zeros even in the code, which is, yeah, like I said, not the best thing when it comes to referencing the Japanese watches. So here we have the Orient box. We saw this Orient box, same one for the Bambino, but to be honest, this has much better build quality to it than the other one. So let's see. Here we go. The Orient Automatic New Multi-Year Calendar. And if you ask me why did I order this one, because I have the Seiko new multi-year calendar with the crown. So I thought that would be a really nice idea to buy this one, compare it to the other one. And what I found is I found it on the Amazon site. I don't like the bicolor from the start, but like I said, try before you buy and before you pay even. So that's why I I got this watch this way. So no screw down crown, no hand winding, which is understandable from Orient. So I have to shake it. Don't shake it too hard, so if something, it will break if you shake it too hard. Just shake it around. And as we all know from Orient, bracelets are throwaway. So let's get our tool to just directly take the bracelet off and look at the watch from all directions and maybe put it on something. I think it's a 22 millimeters because it lug width, because it does have a very wide case, as you can see. So here we go. So let's first measure the watch. So if we look at the diameter of the watch, it's 42.85. Lug to lug actually is very compact, 45.6, and thickness only 11 millimeters. The crown is a bit small, it's only 4.2 in width of 4.3. And yeah, and we shake it. So the first thing is you set the day. So let's say we already set the day, 12, quite good. And then you choose the month. So as you can see here, you can see that the month is September or December. Then we move it to June. It's February, March or November. it's August or February when it's on a leap year. So that's why it's this one, I guess. And this one is May. This one is Jan or October, and this one is Jan on a leap year, I guess. Jumps back to June. And you have here the day of the dates and which day will it be, which is quite useful, to be honest. I really like it. So the watch is 200 grams with the bracelet. It has this caliber 46D40, sorry about that, which it runs on 21,600 vibration per hour, which same as this one. And I think it would do a very nice comparison with the Seiko. I might do this on the weekend. I'll have more time to elaborate rather than Friday. And yeah, I guess it's a good idea. Oops, sorry about that. I really like the dial, and I think we could put it on the time grapher and see how it does, right? Put this here. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Made a small mistake. I thought it was 22 millimeters, but let's check together how many millimeters is the width. It's 18.75 on one side and 18.7. So if we zeroed it again, 0, then yeah, 18.65, which is quite unusual for a lug width. That's why this bracelet is so tapered down, as you can see. And you have even this half bracelet, which just cuts this one on this one. Anyways, most probably I'm not going to purchase it, so I'm going to put it now on this. NATO, does it work? No, it doesn't work at all. So let's first finish up the testing of the movement, and let's see which option we will get afterwards. So as you can see, it's actually not bad at all. It has a -8, -14, -9, beat error of 0.4, running on 21,600 like the other Orient and this Festina as well. Beat error is 0.4, which is less than the Orient, but still more than the Festina. Anyways, this is basically about it for this unboxing and first impression, but you will definitely see this watch again to compare it with the other Seiko, which is the other mechanical option of how to show a multi-year calendar. Yeah, this is 150 euros. As I said, I don't know if I will keep it or not because it's really big. As you can see on the wrist, it is really big, and the strap is so awkward. It's 18.65, and the bracelet just tapers down. And if I put it on a normal strap, it will be looking just weird. I might put it on the strap from the Seiko and see how it looks. So just a second. I'll tell you what, it does look much better when on that strap, and let's see it on my wrist. By the way, I have a 17.1 centimeter wrist, which is 6.72 inches. Here you see it on the wrist. I can even put a golden buckle on it to match the golden hardware. And here is the Seiko that we see in the other comparison. So here you have the crown system, and here you have the push system, but we'll get in it in the other video. So thanks everybody for watching. Hopefully you liked the video, learned something about Orient and about new multi-year calendars, mechanical ones, and hopefully you enjoyed the video and learned something new. Yeah, thank you so much guys, and hopefully see you in the next one. Let me give you a last look on the back side with the button, and here. So thanks guys, bye bye.